I'm glad you're here. You made it. So we're going to do a really quick run through of what Jumper is so you can get started and up and running right now. Basically, what you're going to do is when you first log into Jumper, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click your business settings. There's two important things that you need to do to get the account going. One is you got to go to your integrations. Click on this. When you click on integrations, you'll see a whole bunch of things. Choose which ones you want. Some of mine are already kind of chosen over here, but what you'll do is you'll click on the connect button and you'll just click, if you've got a Shopify store or a WooCommerce store, you'll click that to import products. If you'll log in with your Facebook page, you've got that, and then most important is this messenger piece over here. You'll need to connect this and select which page you want that you want the messenger bot to work with on there, right? When people are going to go by using the hashtags, and then you can click your Instagram, your YouTube, Line, Zapier, Google Calendar, all that kind of stuff there, right? So once those are set up, you can go in there and play around with shipping settings and all this other kind of stuff. But the most important thing is then next go over to add products. You go to your add products. From here, you're going to import, right? So if you have Shopify connected with, like I do, you can click this, and then that will bring in all the products from your store. Again, if you have WooCommerce, you can do that. If you don't have any store, which is what Jumper is great about as well, is you can just do dropship type of products and bring that in here as well, and then just figure out what other variants you want. You're allowed up to 3 variants, unlimited types of, but 3 variants is what you're allowed up to on there, and then you have cash on delivery and all these other kinds of things, and how many you want maximum customer can buy from there, right? So you get that set up. Next thing you know is that you want to go and manage your products. Once you do you manage your products, this is where everything's been imported and everything else has been done. You can just see how it looks with the hashtags and everything here. So here is exactly that. Then you can get your links to the web bot, and this one is to your Facebook page messenger. So if you take that, put that in there through your social media, through Facebook, YouTube, whatever, you can use that link to start that off if you have, say, like a blog page or something. And if not, don't worry about it. They can start the hashtag because you have links, so that's just it. But on this one, this is more the web bot, so if you've got a blog as well, you can do that. And I'm going to go through a whole bunch of other ones, a whole bunch of connections that we can show you later on as well. But here you can see all the hashtags. So anytime somebody comments a hashtag in Messenger, this is going to start that process there on there. So that's your products. You can manage your discounts. We'll go through all those later on, and then all your orders, they show up here. So any orders that you have, you click on products. Once you're in there, then you'll see all your products, and from there you can ship now. So if you had it tied to Shopify or WooCommerce, you click that, it'll push it over. If you have a third-party shipping like ShipStation or something like that and tied to Zapier, you can do that as well and push it to there. So that's it. That's basically the quick rundown of what Jumper is all about. We'll go into deeper dives on the other sections in later emails and in our help section. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer support. We're always available. Talk to you soon.